Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come with a new website TRX mining, and I will give you a full review how to earn and how to earn by money by investing a small amount of TRX. In this amount has activation fees, and if you activate the account you automatically get a daily TRX mining profit from the websites. I tell you how to deposit and how to withdraw from money from these websites, and I also tell you how to you earn a money by joining a more and more refer under your account and get many profits automatically in your account as a promotional. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request my all viewer, please like the video so I can make a more and more amazing video like this, and I will provide you a link in the description. You can check out this, and if you click on it you can go to the registration page. And before starting video, I request all viewer, please like the video, and you can see that here is our country code. It is necessary to put the country code correct in which you are living and in which you put a country code, such as I live in a Pak and I go to the Pakistan and search. You can see your code. I search as I click on a PK. I could not show you my number because it is against to the privacy of the website owner, and I cannot show you number because many people trying to enter in my account and they entered a wrong password of my accounts and company freeze the my account. Therefore I could not see you my phone number, and this is the login password and this is the security password. And if you want to talk with me, I will provide you a telegram and Gmail option. You can tell a question of you and I give you answer, and also you can put your question in the comment box. And this is the registration code and it is automatically fitted. And what is different between login password and security password? Login password is necessary when you're trying to log in the website, and security password is required when you try to withdraw money from these websites. And you can see that this is a captcha. You can put this captcha in this code, such as I put this captcha 7829 and click on a sign up option. As if you fill all these detail carefully, and if you do not fill this detail, please fill all the information and click on a sign up option by filling a mobile phone number, login password, security password and this captcha. And if you do not understand the captcha, you can click on the captcha and you can see that captcha will be changed automatically if you refresh and click on it. And I make this account and enter into the websites, and therefore I stop the video. I will resume when I enter into the website. Here you can see that I enter into the website, and first phase of this website is latest announcement. And you can see that trx.site, official telegram, trx.site, and basic wallet permanent withdrawal limit. And you can see deposit 5 to 29,099 trx, daily withdrawal 2.5% and 3%, and maximum is at 8%. And these are the information of latest announcement. You can check out. As I open this, you can also open by using the link. And the higher the investment amount, the higher the yield, the faster the return, the higher the daily withdrawal limit. If people sign up investing using your invite link, your promotional account will be rewarded according 10% on the first and registered 5% on the second tier, 2% on the third tier. And introduction to the mine, top 10 mining base in the world. Tron Mining 1, located next to the Giargilio Hover station in the upper reach of. These are the stations you can check out. I cannot read because the video becomes so long. I give you only basic and necessary information of this websites. And you can see that I make this account newly. I rewarded with 1,000 TRX as a demo, and which is equal to $105. And you can see that here, and you can see here this is a very brilliant website, and you can invest trx in this website to earn more and more profit. And this, and here you can see that this is the withdrawal option and this is the withdraw deposit option. These portion two are very necessary. I will give you a review of these two portion at the end of video because I give you another review of this website, so the video becomes so long. And you can see here, and this is the upper portion of this website, trx.site, and English language option and notification option and customer service option. You can see that if I click on a customer service option, you can see that you can automatically redirect it to the open tm yani telegram it's mean Telegram. And if you click on a Chrome, you can redirect it to the Chrome by using the Chrome and redirect it to the Telegram. I refresh my page, and to give you a more and more view, you can see this is a language option. You can change your language of website such as in Arabic, Turkish, Japanese, and English, and other English. And here you can see the notification option. I click on a notification option. This is the latest notification option I already described you. You can check this, I already described you. And I go back to the home option, and here you can see that a wallet option, account, wallet account, and promotional account. You can see that promotional account is required when you join a refer in your under refers, and you can get a profit your in our promotion account, and you withdraw it. And in the down you can see that my wallet, and in the down you can see a join to be a Tron millionaire. This is the trading option. I will give you a review if you watch the video complete, so I give you a complete review of these websites. And in the down you can see a platform data display. These are the accumulated profit of these websites, and these are the membership of this website. You can see here this website has a many large amount of member. And this is the about us option. We are at our best. And in the down you can see the global partner of this website. These wallets are supporting to this account and this website to exchange your cryptocurrency such as TRS, depositing and recharging. And I am going to tell you how to earn a money from these websites. And first I describe these two portions, and you can see that a team and share options. If you click on a team option, you can see that I have no team, and this website give you a reward at 3 level of refers, and you can see that I have no refer, and I go back to the websites. And in the down you can see a share option. This is a very important option if you want to join a many friends and get a huge profit by joining them. And you can click on a trx.site.mobile and copy link to share your friends and invest in this website. You automatically get a profit from this websites. And I go back to the home option, and this is, and after this I give you a logout option. If you want to log out the website, click on a logout website. And I do not want to log out the account, and I want to join this account more and more, and I am going to telling you how to you earn money from this websites. You can click on this portion of this website such as a trading. Here you can see that I click on a trading portion. You can see that I receive a 60 TRX by the trading of today. And you can see that this cloud mining is 66%, and you can activate your account and get a huge profit by your trading. Such as I click on a receive option, you can see that okay, I received, and I click on a 2-day trading profit settlements, and my all huge profits. Such as today I received a quantifying transaction revenue 60 TRX, and you can see the date and time. And I go back to the home to show you my TRX of 60 TRX added or not. You can see that my 60 TRX are added in my account and successfully added in my account. And I go to the trading option. You can see that you can activate by investing a small amount of TRX, and you can invest such as I invest in this website. And I will give you a complete method. Please watch the video complete, so I give you a complete information. And if you click on a share option, this portion is I already described. This is I invite your content option, and if you join your friends, you get a huge profit by joining the friends. And this is the last portion of website mining. I will give you a review of white paper of this website. First I give you the review of this mining option, and at the end of the video I give you a review about deposit and withdrawal option. You can see that TRX quantity, I have no deposit TRX in this website. I tell you how to deposit and how to deposit TRX in this website. Add 5 TRX to the account at one time to activate the account and turn on the withdrawal functions. And in the down you can see team options, profit list, and you can see your profit list. Such as I click on a profit list, you can see that I received a 60 TRX. It is my profit, and you can see your profit list and loss list daily. And you can see the transfer to basic account share notification. I click on a notification. You can see that it is the latest information announcement. I already describe you the latest announcement of this websites. And I go back to the home and click on a mine option to give you a withdraw and how to deposit in this website. Before this I want to review a PDF such as the white paper of this website, and you can give the review. I go to the websites to give you a review of the white paper. Here you can see the drone TRX and the my total pages are loading, and you can see the advanced digital mining. I will give you a white paper link in the description. You can check the white paper of this websites to invest in this website. Disclaimer, background source, established time, product replacement token, MBC insurance detail, investment return, investment method, user problem handling, content information. You can see that TRX.site achieved a turnover of more than 47 billion US dollar in December 2018. On December 8, 2019, affected by the epidemic, on online investment plan was proposed. On March 9, 2020, affected by the global epidemic, the strategy will be fully shifted. As of March 2021, the number of users has exceeded the 3 million mark, and the investment has exceeded 6.354 billion TRX. And in the down you can see a background source. In November 2017, we were recognized by the Sri Lanka government. In February 2018, companies in Colombo, the capital of Sri Lanka, as of December 31, 2020, and we have invested a total of 60 million US dollar. The company has more than 700 employees, has more than 32,518 nodes, and can produce at least this amount of TRX per day. And this is the information of TRX was established TRX site. And disclaimer, this is very important about this website. Please read this disclaimer section carefully. If you are in any doubt of the action you should take, you should consult your legal, financial, tax or other professional advisors. And you can read this. I go back to the website to give you a review how to recharge and how to deposit these websites. I will provide you a link in the description. You can check the white paper of these websites. And I want to deposit in my account. I click on a deposit method. You can see that I click on a deposit, and here you can see 5 portions. And first I divide these portions. Please do not recharge other non-tier accesses will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. After the recharge is complete, click the button below to get the recharge amount. The minimum recharge is 5 TRX. If you want to invest in this TRX website, you can click on a copy address, such as my address is copied successfully. First I verify to check my account TRX address, TG at the start and QVP at the end. I go to my trust wallet to send him a 50 TRX has a demo amount to show you how you invest in this website. I click on a send option and paste the link and verify my account, and I put my 50 TRX amount and click on a transfer option. You can see that my transfer the option, and you can see here the website TRX are loading, and you can see here I transfer to the websites and it is in a pending. I refresh this when my transaction sent to the company owners and company memberships and controller. You can see that my total deposit sent into the account, and I go back to the websites and click on a recharge completed, such as I click on a get the deposit amount, and you can see that, and I click on a get the amount and I refresh the back to the home, and you can see that I have 160 TRX, and I wait for my deposit, which are recorded into a 5 to 10 minutes, and I refresh this page again and again, so my transaction received in my account. For I wait only for the transaction added in my account. When the my TRX added in my account, I show you how to you withdraw money from this website and how you get a profit from this. I already describe you there is a true method of earning by refer and by trading, and you can see that trading portion is I give you again review to pass the time and my transaction review and transaction added in my account. I wait for only the transaction. I will click on 160 again, refresh, and you can see that my transaction are not reached. I stop the video when my transaction received. I again resume the video when my transaction completed received in my account. Here you can see that my transaction received in my account, and I go to the mine option, and you can see that my 50 TRX added in my account without any fee. And you can see that how many amount you invest, and the total amount added in your account. And you want to withdraw money from this website, click on a withdrawal option. You can see that. So as I click on a withdrawal portion, and you can see that my daily withdrawal limit is 1.25 TRX. You can increase it by investing a more and more TRX in your account. If you invest a more and more amount of TRX, you can increase your daily withdrawal limit. Such as my withdrawal limit is 1.25, I put here my 1.25 account here, and such as I click here 1.25 and put here my address, such as my address is this, and I put here. And you can see that enter your password, such as enter I my password, and go to the again trust wallet to show you my total amount of TRX. You can see that I have a 364 TRX, and I get a withdrawal of 1.25 TRX from the websites. And I click on a confirm option. You can see that I click on a confirm option, withdrawal success, and I go to the websites. First I clear this message, and you can see that I suddenly received a withdrawal of 1.25 TRX from the websites. I go to the website trust wallet and refresh this page to show you my TRX received or not. And you can see that I received a 1 TRX from the website. First I refresh again and again. Here you can see that I received a 1 TRX from the websites. And I hope you like this video and subscribe the channel. Please share this video to your friends so you join a more and more team and get a more profit from this website. Take care. Goodbye.